Welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm having one of NEFX. Today we're starting the Marathon 2 Suicide 1 Suicide Map Pack by Butch Massoni. And actually, let's see what all we have. We have in the menu skydiving, the press box, Mountain 4 Bocce, Suicide Arena, and what the fuck. So let's see how skydiving is. Yep. Some of these are coming back to me. Damn it. High height and low gravity and teleporters make it hard to respawn, especially when you're instantly being attacked by these rocket bots. Where are they? Okay. By the time I get oriented, I'm already dead. How the fuck did I not dodge that? It's like it caught the bottom of the player character's foot, and then that was enough to kill the whole guy. See, I can't even fall down fast enough to land on the teleporter properly. Can I aim up there? Well, I can, but I didn't hit that time. At this point, I'm better off doing like predictive spawn kills. At least I know the premise of the map, which is generally pretty easy with these suicide maps. They're sort of like game show maps. They're based around one simple premise, and you just gotta optimize yourself to that. As someone who's had a bit of a soft spot for games like Mario Party, I like that idea, and you can see where I've implemented that myself in my own maps. Fuck, and I'm stuck in the corner. Doing terribly. It's awful when they like shoot rockets as soon as they spawn. This is going to be one of the ultimate like bot match challenges. If you can get a good score in a map like this, then it surely takes some skill on your part. Something you'd have to practice and rehearse for in a way. Damn, that's long. In some ways, it even feels longer than in that one annoying map where like you keep falling off the ledge all the way down to the bottom of the pit. Anyway, that's skydiving. Let's see about the press box. Okay, yeah, here's another example of a game show type level. This one I think is a bit easier to get in kills, but also easier to be killed, but I think overall I think I'd have an easier time racking up a good score in this one. See, I'm already getting to the positive, which spells a better prognosis for me with this one than the last map. Not to mention that, as you can see right there, the bots don't always have their best AI when it comes to shooting rockets when there's barriers in the way that are just tall enough to like stop the rocket and not give splash damage to me. As you can see, they can still kill me, but actually it looks like a lot of the spawn points are across from where I was at, because it took a while for any boss to show up on my side. Now it's getting much worse really fast. I think what it is, I need to get up top where I can, but I don't think I can. Yeah, now it's just going to shit. What I need to do is get across there where there's a way to... It's also easier to do like predictive spawn kills this way. I wonder why it was that that kill streak I had earlier was so uninhibited for so long, because it seems like just about any configuration here I die really quickly. I have like a 3-second grace period tops in which to make a kill, make sure that I don't lose as much as I normally would. But it seems like otherwise this is a case of, you know, where all you can do is lose. You just have to minimize the losing. I guess that's why they call it the press box, that and just the physical setup of it. Like you're being mass interviewed somehow. Alright, let's see about Mount Foribachi. I can't win any of this shit. You know, we'll just try this next time. I need to go to bed. So we'll do it Mount Foribachi next time, and probably the rest of those levels. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.